How to fix Terraria multiplayer not working. So if you're facing the problem of the multiplayer, which is Terraria, not working, then just watch this video. First, all players must be on the same Terraria version. After that, open up your Steam. After opening your Steam, you need to go with library, which will be in the top left. And then you need to go with your game, which is Terraria. Once done, you'll find the properties option on the right side. Or you can just simply right click on it and then you'll find an option of properties. You need to click on that. And from here, if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. Go with updates. Or if you're using your mobile or your console, then update from Play Store, App Store, or Console Store. If that doesn't work, then restart everything. Restart Terraria or restart Steam, restart your PC or your mobile or your console, or you can also restart your router or your Wi-Fi. If joining through Steam fails, then you can just simply open up your Steam and then go with your friends or online status and make sure that your online status is set as online and it's not hidden. Invite your friends via Steam friends and try join via IP instead of a Steam invite. Or relaunch your Steam again, go with your library and then select the game, right click on it, and then you'll find the option of properties. Go with properties. After that, if it is installed on your device, if the game is installed, then you will find the option of installed files right here. Once you find the installed files option, click on it and then just simply go with the right side where you will find the verify integrity of game files. After verifying the integrity of game files, your problem might be fixed. If you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.